You're gone and I gotta stay.
Strictly Sizzling, Mollie King drops jaws in see-through lace dress. Mollie King has won a legion of fans over the years, from her time in the Saturdays to her turn on Strictly Come Dancing in 2017. There is no stopping this blonde bombshell. As well as her great vocals and her sexy dance moves, Mollie has also impressed in the style stakes. The girl next door never fails to impress with her fashion, and this was proven on her latest night out. Mollie, who is said to be dating cricketer Stuart Broad, 31, wowed as she hit the town in style. She donned a mid-length lace dress that teased at her sensational physique thanks to the racy see-through inserts. Showing off her sensational pins, Mollie also added towering, strappy heels that added further height to her petite frame. Mollie was attending Ben Foden's testimonial party held at Park Plaza, Westminster Bridge, London. Ben is married to Mollie's former bandmate Una Healy, and the pair share 2 children. Like Una, Mollie is reported to be a sports swag in the making herself thanks to her rumored romance with Stuart. An insider said to The Sun last month of the alleged romance, "It's the early stages, but they are both really into each other. It looks like a proper romance." Stuart has even said he could see himself settling down with Mollie if it all continues to go well. They are well suited and make an attractive couple. Mollie's love life has always been a topic of speculation, with her previously being linked to 23-year-old Strictly professional partner Edge Pritchard, a claim they have both denied in the past. She also famously enjoyed an on-off relationship with hunky model David Gandy, 38, until they ultimately called time on their union in early 2016. Stuart, meanwhile, was previously dating lingerie model Bailey Mitchell, but the pair called things off in May last year.